Hello everyone, John Neal here. Hope you can see me. It's dark, I know. It's evening time, it's just after 5 o'clock actually, on the 29th of November 2024, and I'm in the middle of Nuneaton town centre because they're going to switch on the Christmas lights.
They are Santa. Come on. Well, it is nearly time to switch on the lights and have the fireworks of Nuneaton 2024.
Well, that's it. The lights are now switched on. What a palaver. That was good. They made a good effort. Well done the council and everybody else organising it. That was pretty good. And there's so many kids around really enjoying all the fun. So, yeah, that was a good night. It's not raining. It's not too cold. It's about 8 degrees. And that was nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. And you'll see me next time. Okay, bye-bye.